Or it's another tune that I wrote in D called Coyotes Don Got Half the Chickens. And its origin is that one day, about a year ago, maybe half a year ago, I was on Facebook, and on my news feed there was a little bit of news from Nate Leith. And he had been mentioning there that the night before, Coyotes Don got half his chickens, and he was lamenting that fact. And I thought to myself, well, that's a sad thing that happened for sure, but it's a great name for a fiddle tune, so here it is. Coyotes Don got half the chickens.